Let's imagine I am a farmer and I have worked hard in the fields to grow the agriculture produce, but still I am not getting the correct market prices.
This happens because of middlemen who exploit farmers and consumers alike to fill their own pockets. Our project here aims to solve this issue.
So we are Team Stellantis and our project will solve this problem. The problem statement is 45, blockchain-based supply chain transparency for agriculture produce.
The innovative and unique aspects of our project include that we have a blockchain-backed traceability model with which we use ledgers to store all the transaction data. We have AI to predict fair market prices for the farmers. We have a sustainable tracking model with which we can track prices at any step. We have a consumer trust which we maintain by using QR codes. The technology stack includes mainly blockchain, for which we use Ethereum framework and Hyperledger Fabric. We also use other technologies, but let's now dive into the prototype. Site for the prototype model. Here we have different dashboards for all of our stakeholders such as farmer, distributor, retailer and consumer. Let's go to farmer's dashboard. Here the farmer can add new produce or see his previous produce history and sales history. Let's add a new produce. Let's select rice and variety as basmati. We can set the number of quantity. We have 4000 kg. We can set the grade such as organic. We can give an expected price by the farmer such as 80 rupees per kg. We have to select the harvest date. Let's select 1 September. We have to give a location. Let's say Betur, and we can give it here. After clicking submit, this data goes to the ledger and gets stored on the blockchain. Here we can use the QR code or the batch ID to further execute the functions. Now let's go to distributor's dashboard. Here he can scan the QR code or paste the batch ID to fetch the details. Here he gets the details such as quantity and the harvest date. Here he can select the retailer he is going to sell the goods to and the price at which he will be selling. And then he can submit, and this transfer is permanent, so we get a pop-up. After this, let's go to the retailer's website. After this, let's go to the retailer's dashboard. Here he can also scan the QR or paste the batch ID to fetch the details. Here he gets the details such as the price at which he can buy and the quantity. Here he can select the status such as if he has the goods available with him, and he can also set the prices at which he wants to further sell. He can give the location and location details of the goods and submit. Now this data is all stored on the ledger which the consumer can track. Let's see that on the mobile application. Now let's see the working of our mobile app with the help of consumer dashboard. Let's scan the QR code available with our produce, and then we get all the details showing the harvest date and the expected price according to what the farmer sold the goods for. We can see the price history at which the farmer sold the goods, and then the distributor and retailer which increased the prices. Thank you.